2021 Hyundai Sonata Colors, Release Date, Review, Price. All of these 2021 Hyundai Sonata are licensed and considerably carefully tuned, with electric possible directing that may filtering system away from the most extreme of the roadways without any guy-created feeling. Among the petrol-only models, the sport advertising and marketing are only suggestions, and also this year it can do not connect with the 2021 Hyundai Sonata, containing the same suspensions and directing modifications to the lesson-rung models. 2021 Hyundai Sonata Review. The straightforward, protect the feel of a 2021 Hyundai Sonata on 17-inch wheels is at its very best on mildly challenging roadways and decently conserved interstates. Base cars and eco models with a lot more compact 16 inches. Wheels have a small kinder drive. With the Sonata, Hyundai carves out a lot of people and storage space from a footprint that is in series with its house sedan ranges of rivalry. There are a great location up front and a significant trunk area place. Nevertheless, the once again seats not very easy to get into, and interior fit and finish are just okay. We now have a 7 for ease and comfort and high quality. The 2021 Hyundai Sonata can get a firmer keep track of, only once it is resolved with the 2-liter Turbo 4. It is rarely challenging, however, it is notably much more organization and might jostle vacationers a somewhat more when the car auto tires slap during many craters in the pavement. The directing builds up much more significant, which clones Avenue's feel with its stronger on-hard perception. It is simple of the handling virtue on complete show in a Honda Accord or Mazda 6, but enjoyable is no terrible place to be. 2021 Hyundai Sonata Engine. With fast shots, the 2021 Hyundai Sonata Big Inline 4 transmits its perspective via a 6-speed smart to the entrance aspect wheels. It is a paragon of normality, practically nothing whatsoever the Sonata does is groundbreaking, from its linear and typical rate to its relaxing ample process, to its trouble-free of charge of demand, shift premium quality. The most common setup for the 2021 Hyundai Sonata, irrespective of whether or not it is a SE, Cell, Sport, or Limited, is going to be one that features a 2.4-liter inline 4 pegged at 185 HP and 178 lb-ft of torque. There is enough power to enable it modestly exercising feel, and the transmission does precisely what it might to produce the most of that, with quick changes and a pleasant general shortage of camping outdoors, as most 9-rate automatics do in rivals. 2021 Hyundai Sonata Interior and Exterior. The interior's been neglected, though. The track record of a key touchscreen on the dash fails to in fact lessen its common, straightforward design. Some of us understand that a satisfied occasion, the 2021 Hyundai Sonata cockpit is blissfully priced totally free of the overstyled exaggeration of some sedans, and the takes care of usually do not get kept in odd places or carry out unconventional varieties as the last outcome. Even though the 2021 Hyundai Sonata interior is desired and cohesive, with changes built jointly and a lot of pointless changes, it is not particularly interesting. Moreover, it is only available in alternatively of uninspiring beige, grayish, and black colored colors. A very hot dim brownish is required. 2021 Hyundai Sonata Colors. Electric lightweight glowing blue. Lakeside lightweight glowing blue. Machine grayish. Phantom dark shaded. Quartz white colored pearl. Scarlet reddish tinted. Symphony silver.